It's a good runner. But the sound went off. I don't know why. And this, is that because of the track or is this? Uh-oh. I don't know, Karen. I like that. Are we going to try that one? The 2870 up.
I'm going to try the one that you
Wanted.
about first.
I don't know. He didn't hold the engine for me, or he did? That one seemed to be a better not cutting.
Is this the one that's going home with you, is my question?
If it runs, it's going home.
Okay.
And let's try those other, that UP Jeep 30 and that other Jeep 9 2873. Video 2, Saturday, December 20th, 2025, 2:23.
We're expecting cash.
Still have to buy more wool. It's that one with looks white on the top, black on the bottom. Sure. It's okay if you can't find me there. No, it's not one.
So it's not supposed to cut out like that, Karen?
What?
So it's not supposed to cut out like that, that other engine that
I
you're...
have no idea. I don't know anything about this shit. I just work for it.
I know, I'm not blaming you on anything.
Okay, what was the other one?
It's
What?
the 3728. The 2870.
No, that one. This one?
That one. Trying 2873. Pleases me, yes. And then we got one more.
Gotta do it somehow. Pardon me, dog.
This actually comes from the distributor in Pennsylvania. They do a lot of lines.
Somebody's having a good Christmas.
No. Thank you for your help, Dennis. Bye.
Okay, so. Okay, did that,
No, that one cuts out. You chose a different one.
okay, that's fine.
The one that cuts out is backward further. It's in the case, but it's kind of back.
Alex, which way did that go? Alex knows. Okay, then the track I'm gonna write up separate because I got that figured out separate.
When the switches are there with you, the switches
Yeah,
are...
you wanted one,
Where's the pen?
you wanted one,
One right electric and one left.
electrics, yeah, so I took, if you wanted 5 left, 5 right, so I made it 4 left, 4 right, and 1 electric, and 1. Yeah. And I'll explain it to you. So she'll, write it to,
I want one more locomotive.
okay, she'll do the locomotive, and I'll do the track, okay? Because we'll put the track on a separate thing so I can explain it, okay?
I think you have a Union Pacific caboose with the sounds that I want.
Maybe over there, I don't know.
I see it, the UP.
This is a V3.
Okay.
I'm gonna go home. You stay here. I'm gonna go home.
I'm getting you tired out, huh?
What else is there?
Jeep 30 Union Pacific.
Which one? This one or that one?
Either one.
You tell me.
Try that one, the 17.